Next property is property number 4. Property number 4 is what? Integration of a to b fx into dx. This property is a summation. Okay, so here what you can do, integration a to b as it is, f of, instead of x we can write what? Sum of lower limit plus upper limit minus x. So instead of this x we can write what? Sum of lower limit plus upper limit minus x into dx. This we can write. Okay, integration a to b fx dx we can write as what? Integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. This we can write. Okay, now proof. Proof is what? Instead of x we are putting what? A plus b minus t. So here what will come? Dx equal to what will come? A differentiation 0, b differentiation 0, minus is outside, t differentiation dt will come. Okay, so this integration. So lower limit is what? A. Okay, so x equal to a, then if I put here a, so a equal to a plus b minus t. So from here what will come? T equal to what will come? B. Okay, so lower limit in terms of t what will come? B. Similarly, if I put x equal to b, upper limit, so if I put here b, so what will come? B equal to a plus b minus t. So from here t what will come? A will come. So this integration will become what? Integration lower limit is what? B, upper limit is what? A, f of, instead of x what you will put? A plus b minus t. So this will become what? A plus b minus t. And instead of dx, so what you write? Dx equal to what? Minus dt. Minus dt. Okay, so if I take minus, if I take here, okay, so this one we can write what? Minus of integration of b to a f of a plus b minus t dt. Okay, so here if I take minus inside, okay, so we can change the limit. Okay, because if you change the limit, minus sign will come. So if you change the limit, what will come? Minus of minus a to b f of a plus b minus t dt. This will come. So minus minus what? Plus. Correct? Minus minus what? Plus. Okay, now here what you will do? This will come what? A to b f of a plus b minus t dt. Okay, so here what you can do? Instead of a plus b minus t, we can put what? A plus b minus x also. So instead of a plus b minus t, we are putting a plus b minus x. So we discussed in property number 2 that same thing we are putting here also. Okay, a plus b minus t, 3 terms are there, and here also 3 terms are there. Okay, coefficient of t is what? Minus 1, and coefficient of x is what? Minus 1. Okay, t power is what? 1, and x power is what? 1. So this integration will become what? This integration we can write what? Integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. If you want, you can put like that also. So we can say this is equal to this one. So this is property number 4. Next we are discussing example. So first example is integration 2 to 3 root x divided by root over 5 minus x plus root x dx. Okay, so we have to integrate this one. So to integrate this one, first what we will do? This one we will assume I. Okay, so here we will use property. Okay, so I equal to what we can write? 2 to 3. Okay, in this property what you are doing? Instead of x we are putting what? Lower limit plus upper limit minus x. This we are putting. So what will come here? 5 minus x. So in this property what will come? Instead of x we are replacing 5 minus x plus root over 5 minus x plus root over 5 minus x dx. Okay, so what will come here? I equal to 2 to 3 root over 5 minus x plus root over, here 5 minus 5 will get cancelled, and minus of minus x what? Plus x will come, and this will have root over 5 minus x dx. So if you add this one and this one, so what will come? This one we are taking for equation 1, this one we are taking equation 2. So if you add this one, so what will come? 2y equal to what will come? Integration 2 to 3, okay, root over x plus root over 5 minus x plus root over x plus this one what will come, integration 2 to 3 root over 5 minus x plus root over x plus root over 5 minus x, okay, into dx, and here also dx. Okay, so this is integration 2 to 3, and here also integration 2 to 3. So this one we can combine. So I equal to what will come, 1 by 2. This one we can add 2 to 3. Okay, in bracket what will come, root x plus root over 5 minus x plus root x plus root over 5 minus x plus root x plus root over 5 minus x dx. This will come. Okay, so what will come here, I equal to 1 by 2 integration 2 to 3, LCM if I take, so LCM what will come, root over 5 minus x plus root x, and numerator what will come, root x plus root over 5 minus x will come dx. So this is getting cancelled, 1 will come. So what will come here, 1 by 2 integration of 2 to 3 dx. So this will come what, 1 by 2 integration what will come, x 2 to 3. So what will come, 1 by 2, 3 minus 2. So what will come, 1 by 2. This is your answer. Clear? So here we are adding this one plus this one. Okay, so we can remember directly also. This I am telling here. Okay, what is the property? I equal to integration of a to b fx dx. Okay, so this one we can remember like that. So this one we can add I equal to 1 by 2 integration of a to b as it is in bracket fx plus f of a plus b minus x dx. Okay, like that we can remember. So directly we can apply this property if I have I equal to a to b fx dx. So we can write as what, I equal to 1 by 2 integration a to b fx plus f of a plus b minus x dx. So this property we can apply. Okay, so suppose you want to solve this problem. Okay, so how to solve? So this one we are assuming I. Okay, so in this one we are using this property. Okay, so I is this one, so what we can write, I equal to 1 by 2 integration 0 to pi by 2. Okay, fx is what, sin square x. Okay, plus f of a plus b minus x. So lower limit 0, upper limit pi by 2 minus x. So 0 plus pi by 2 minus x. So pi by 2 minus x. So instead of x, what you will put, pi by 2 minus x. So what will come here, sin square pi by 2 minus x dx. This will come. So what will come, I equal to 1 by 2 integration 0 to pi by 2. This is sin square x, and this is what, sin pi by 2 minus x is what, cos x. So this will come cos square x dx. Sin square x plus cos square x is what, 1. So this will come what, I equal to 1 by 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 dx. So this will come what, I equal to 1 by 2 x 0 to pi by 2. So this will come what, 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So what is the answer, pi by 4. This is your answer. Okay.